Cats share a special bond with paper. It's a relationship that has puzzled and amused cat owners for generations. It's a source of endless fascination for them. Whether it's a crinkly newspaper or a smooth sheet of printer paper, cats can't seem to resist. From playful swats to cozy naps, paper serves multiple purposes in a cat's world. It's a playground, a bed, and sometimes even a hiding spot. Paper seems to hold a mysterious allure. The texture, the sound, and even the smell can captivate a cat's senses. But what is it about this simple material that drives our feline friends wild? Is it the rustling noise it makes, or perhaps the way it moves unpredictably? Let's explore the curious world of cats and their love for paper. We've all been there. You bring home a new book or a stack of important papers only to find your cat instantly drawn to it. They seem to have a sixth sense for detecting new paper in the house. They approach it cautiously at first, touching it with a paw, then quickly becoming more adventurous. They rub against it, bat it around, and sometimes even try to chew on it. It's as if the paper has a magnetic pull, and even try to bury themselves in it. The crinkling sound and the way it shifts under their weight seem to provide endless entertainment. It's enough to make you wonder if they know something we don't. Perhaps in the world of cats, paper is the ultimate treasure. Cats have a knack for turning the ordinary into a source of entertainment. Whether it's a simple piece of string, a dangling feather, or a crumpled piece of paper, they find joy in the simplest things. And paper is no exception. One minute they're meticulously grooming themselves, licking their fur with such precision and care. The next they're pouncing on a crumpled piece of paper as if it were the most fascinating prey. Their eyes widen, their bodies tense, and with a sudden burst of energy, they leap into action. The way they stalk, chase, and attack these papery foes is a sight to behold. It's as if they're on a grand adventure, each rustle of the paper a new challenge to conquer. And let's not forget the classic paper slide. Cats love to rub their faces and bodies on paper, often leaving a trail of hair in their wake. It's their way of marking their territory and spreading their scent. This behavior is not just about fun, it's also a form of communication. By leaving their scent, they are telling other cats, "This is mine." It's a fascinating blend of play and instinct. Plus, it's just plain fun. Watching a cat interact with paper can bring endless joy and laughter. Their playful antics remind us to find joy in the little things and to never underestimate the power of simple pleasures. There are a few theories about why cats are so drawn to paper. It's a curious behavior that has puzzled and delighted cat owners for years. Understanding this fascination can give us deeper insights into the feline mind. One possibility is the texture. The feel of paper under their paws is intriguing to them. Paper provides a satisfying crinkling sound and a unique feel under their paws, which stimulates their senses. The noise and texture can mimic the rustling of leaves or grass, triggering their hunting instincts. Cats may also be attracted to the scent of paper, especially if it's new or has been handled by humans. The smell of fresh paper or the lingering scent of human touch can be intriguing to their sensitive noses. Another theory suggests that cats see paper as a source of warmth and comfort. Paper can act as an insulator, retaining heat and providing a cozy spot for them to relax. Paper can retain heat, making it an appealing spot for a cat nap. This is especially true in cooler environments where a warm resting place is highly sought after. It can also provide a sense of security and privacy, especially if the cat is feeling anxious or stressed. The crinkling paper can create a small enclosed space that makes them feel safe and hidden from potential threats. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that cats have a special relationship with paper. Perhaps it's a combination of texture, scent, and instinct that makes it so irresistible. It's just another quirk that makes these furry companions so endearing. So the next time you find your cat batting at a newspaper or snuggled up on a stack of mail, remember that it's all part of their natural curiosity and playfulness. And who knows, maybe they're onto something with their love for this simple yet fascinating material.